Everything that I have ever written in this journal has come true. No matter if it's about love, money, career, whatever it is, everything has come true. No, this is not a magic journal, but this is a method called scripting. I have manifested so many things by scripting that I can't even describe. And it's not just big goals, even smaller, minimal goals that you don't even think about. But whenever I have written down those as well, all of them have come true. So in this video, I am going to discuss what is scripting, how it works, and how you can also do scripting to manifest everything that you want. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Now, what is scripting? We all know about scripts, right? All movies or shows have scripts. So in the script, the writers write down the life of the actor or the character that they are playing, right? So similarly, in the scripting, we write down how we want our life to be. And what I do is that I do it for each and every year. So you can make one for like 10-year goals or your 5-year goals, or if you want for particular year, you can do it like that as well. But the main thing that you need to know before starting scripting is that what do you want and why you want it. The why is the most important part, because most of the time we just say that we want more money. And I have said in my previous videos like this visualization one as well, that just knowing what we want won't manifest it suddenly. We all want $1 billion, right? But just knowing that won't bring it to us. What we need to be is that while manifesting, we need to be in the vibration of that $1 million. So that's why it's very important that you know why do you want that money, or why do you want that opportunity, or why do you want that luxury car. Without understanding why you want that, you can never be in that energy. That's why I always say it's very important to know why you want this or what you will do once you get this. So now that you understand what is scripting, how can we do scripting? So there are lots of ways by which you can do scripting. You can write a letter to your future self, or your future self who has accomplished all the goals can write a letter to you, or maybe you can write a script about how your year is going to go. The main thing is that be as much detailed as you want, and don't write more than 3 or 4 goals, because or else it will be very difficult for you to achieve and your brain will automatically think that this is not possible, so they will just give up. That's why it's better to have 3 or 4 goals max, and once you accomplish one goal, you can start writing or thinking about the other goal. And another thing I want to say is that whatever you want is possible. Okay, so if you want $1 billion tomorrow, this can happen. But it does not mean that your brain right now has the capacity to think about those $1 billion, to actually give you ideas how to get those $1 billion in 24 hours. That's why it is better that we stay in our realm of believability. So try to write down things that you believe in. Then it will for sure manifest, because your brain does not think of that thing that is impossible. So now that you understand how the basics of scripting work, let's start on how to do scripting. So like I said, there are various types of scripting. What I personally do is that I write a letter from my future self to my current self. So every year I write down a letter from December 25th to the earlier year's December 25th. So like if I am writing right now, I will be writing from December 25th to 25th. So by then the year is almost complete. That is a very pleasant day. It's Christmas. So I will be happy. If I write from that day, I will already be in a festive mood. So it feels very cheerful. So what I do is that I sit down and I write that, hi, today is Christmas 2025. I'm very happy. I just woke up right now. I talk to my family, I talk to my friends, whatever it is. And then you start down that, so you know what? So many things have happened this year. Thank you so much for putting in your efforts. You can be thankful to yourself to the universe, to God, whatever you believe in. Since I write letters to myself, I am being thankful to myself. Because see, if I have achieved anything in the next year, the main person who will be responsible for this is me, right? I know the universe is going to do the 90% work. But if I don't grab those opportunities, there are lots of people who get those 90% opportunities, but they don't recognize it. They don't actually grab it. That's why most people don't become successful. But when I write my letters, I say thank you to the universe for giving me the opportunities, and mainly to myself for grabbing the opportunities, for doing the work. So you can do it like that also. And if you think that you want to only thank universe or God, that is also fine. Whatever you want, you can write it like that. But be thankful in your letter. So I write like thank you for all your hard work in gym, in your career. That's why I have now achieved these things. I am now earning this much amount of money and I look more beautiful. Everyone is saying that I'm more gorgeous and I'm much more healthier than before. Whatever be it, whatever your goals are, I am telling from my perspectives, because I always have goals based on my health, my wealth and my personal life. I pick out those three sectors always because those three sectors mean a lot to me. So whatever means a lot to you, you can select those sectors as well. If you think that this year you want to manifest love, you can write like, I already have someone special in my life who makes me happy, who respects me, whatever be your scenario. And if you want, you can also write in details, whatever the things that you want. I write in very details. I just came from a trip to Goa with my best friends. So earlier this year when I was scripting, I wrote that I have finally taken that trip to Goa and we are so happy, we are more connected and we are all leading so much happier lives. So you see, even those things came true. This was not even like a real goal. This was kind of a part of my financial goal. So yeah, that also got fulfilled because that is what I wanted to do with my money. That is why if you write in very details why you need that goal or what you will do when you reach that goal, it will be very easy for you to be in that energy and to actually attract those goals. Because most of the time what we do is that we just think about having that money in our bank account. But the truth is that is not what we are going to do when we have that money. Or that is not being in that energy. Or maybe losing the weight or gaining the weight is not just the end point. The end point is feeling free, feeling in love, feeling happy, right? We all want those things. These are just the path towards that, right? All anyone wants in their life is love, peace and freedom. Everything else is just the pathway. Of course, we want other things. So if you want to manifest anything, just write it down and why you want it, and you will see the answer always comes in love, peace and freedom. So try to be in that energy when you are writing that letter. You can also write like, this happened in January, this happened in February. Whatever happens, when I write down, I think I take a lot of pressure. Will it be hot, will it be cold? I take all of this into account, so I can't be fully in that kind of energy. That's why I prefer writing a letter. But whatever feels good for you is amazing. And see, it's not only about the big goals. Even the house where I am filming right now, I manifested this one through scripting as well. I just wrote down that I want a 2 BHK in this particular area, which will be nearby my work location, and I will be living with my best friend. And that is what is happening right now. You can manifest anything that you want, even the big goals and the smaller goals. It all depends on, do you believe in that? And why do you want it? Is it real? Are you in that energy? Only this much matters, nothing else. So I hope you like this video. I hope you all script and make all your dreams come true. And yeah, thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for loving my last video as well. And check this out if you haven't yet, because here I talk about how to let go of your desires so that you can manifest anything that you want. So thank you so much for listening and hope you have a great day. Bye bye.